Our 3 judges scoring this contest of Octagon sidearm: Derek Lilly, Sally Amato, and Chris Lee. And when the action begins, our referee in charge of the Octagon, Herb Dean. This championship bout is brought to you by GovX. If you have a military or first responder background, visit GovX.com for unbeatable deals on thousands of top brands. GovX savings for those who serve. And by Call of Duty Black Ops 6, dive into a 90s thriller and best-in-class multiplayer available now.
Fuck him up, John!
For those in attendance and UFC fans watching around the world, this is the moment you've all been waiting for! Live from the sold-out Madison Square Garden Arena in New York City, New York! For the undisputed UFC Heavyweight Championship of the world. Introducing first, fighting out of the blue corner, a mixed martial artist holding professional record, weighing in 4 losses. He's down 64 strong, weighing in 228 and 1/2 pounds. Fighting out of Independence, Ohio, presenting the former UFC heavyweight champion and the number 8 ranked UFC heavyweight contender in the world, the challenger, Stipe introducing his opponent, fighting out of the red corner, a look-see new fighter, holding a professional record, 27 wins, 1 loss, 1 no contest. He stands 6 feet 4 inches tall, weighing in at 237 and 1/2 pounds. Fighting out of Albuquerque, New Mexico, by way of New York,